What's up YouTube? This is going to be my first repair video if I can accomplish the repair itself. This mouse over here has an issue on clicking. Just so I can show you, if I click this icon over here and drag it, yeah, it released it, and I didn't even release the button. It has an issue with clicking, I guess. So let me see if I can do something about it. Okay, let's open this up. In this video I'm going to use a soldering iron and flux and isopropyl alcohol and a spray bottle like this to spray off the isopropyl alcohol, and a screwdriver and a sand iron like the sandpaper to remove the dirt from the soldering iron, because I don't have any spare tips for that, and I don't recommend doing what I do instead of replacing the tip. So I'm going to use gloves too, because this flux says to me that I can catch cancer from it. I don't know, it surely is going to be useful. And a fume extractor, which I built it from an old PC fan by connecting it with the power adapter, which is 7.5 volts, and hopefully we are going to fix the mouse. Okay, let's get to work. If you apply pressure here, but first let me just unplug the mouse. Yeah, if you apply pressure on the stickers here, you're going to notice that there are screw holes there, so you might have to remove these stickers. I'm applying pressure here and there's nothing here, and there's no screws actually in this screw hole, so yeah, there's one screw here. So yeah, they didn't even put a screw to this screw hole, and I'm removing this screw here. Yeah, I actually purchased this mouse from my local hardware store at a very cheap price, so I got nothing to lose. I'm just experimenting with the mouse here. Yeah, I guess this could be removed from here. Yeah. Okay, now, so I'm having trouble with this button specifically. This button causes the trouble, so I'm considering changing that specific button with something else. Maybe this button. Yeah, actually they look like the same. So this button has white paint on it, and this has, I don't know, it will work eventually, I guess. Before I fix things, I feel that I have to clean my soldering iron with sanding it, but I don't recommend sanding your soldering iron instead of just replacing the tip, because you don't clean your soldering iron for obvious reasons. But this is going to work just fine for this video, and I'm doing it. Yeah, see the shine? Okay, this will be enough to transfer enough heat to melt the solder balls. So yeah. Alright guys, I guess my soldering iron is heated up, ready to use, and I'm going to replace this button with the one over here, with this button. I checked it out, the orientation is the same, but looks are not the same, but who cares, it's gonna break it up. Yeah, so let's start the repair. Yeah, I guess I'm going to extract this like this, so maybe like this. Yeah, alright, this is the, yeah, yeah, alright, I guess that's it. So let me close it and continue to prep. So alright, I'm going to heat this. There's a lot of fume. You really don't want to smell this, I guess. And yeah, I couldn't just remove it at the first go. I'm sure I can do that. Let me just, yeah. Okay, it fell off. It's to this part. I'm guessing that this is going to come up easily like the one before. Applying some pressure. I don't know if it helps. Yeah, this fell off. And the next one, yeah, that fell off too. Alright. So I didn't even use the tweezers, I guess. Yeah. Okay. Now we got ourselves a clean board. I don't know if it's called board, but still, yeah. The board even tells us that where this clicking goes to, so the board tells us the orientation. So I am sure that I am going to plug this like that and just solder it, I guess. And this, of course, this is not going in by just applying a pressure, so I must heat it up. If I heat here, I couldn't, yeah. Okay, I guess I'm done here. Let me just heat it up even more. Yeah, that looks clean. And I can't say that I have steady hands like a professional, but yeah, surely I can do some basic repairs, basic soldering like this one. Alright, this looks fine, I guess. Let me check the orientation again. Yeah, I guess I nailed it. Yeah. Alright. Let's put this second one like this. Like it tells me where to put this clicking over here. So the flux feels sticky though. And yeah, I'm definitely going to use isopropyl alcohol to clean this up, because this is not clean right now. Yeah. This is so not clean right now. Yeah. Hopefully I didn't catch any cancer from this specific job. Yeah. Right, it looks fine, as you can see. And this looks fine too. Yeah, that's pretty much it then. Let's clean this up and check that if it's work. Alright, let me just clean this very quick. With the isopropyl alcohol. And just unplug my soldering iron because soldering is over, I guess. So I don't need the fume extractor. Okay, I'm just spraying the isopropyl alcohol like there is no tomorrow. And I'm going to clean this. Normally I need an ultrasonic cleaner for removing the flux, but I don't have one because nobody does. This is going to work as well. I know that I have to be gentle with this board, but who cares? This is a cheap ass mice that I purchased it for like $5, and yeah, if it's going to work, I'm going to use the same method for an expensive mice, maybe, but I'm not sure. Okay, that's enough, I guess. Now I'm going to reassemble this mouse and see that if it's working. Now that I've cleaned the flux, I can reassemble this mice and see if it works. I think this goes right here, and before mounting this you need to put this in, put this scroll wheel like this, and yeah, okay, that looks fine. And yeah, the cable used to, okay, this cable was right here, so let me mount it in. Okay, so now, alright, it's done. I can now tuck this up. Yeah, that's not right. Maybe I have to remove these two and try to mount this back up. No. Alright. Okay. That looks fine now. It's clicking. This is clicking. This is clicking. So I've changed this button with this button because I'm not using this button as usually as I use this button. So let me just put this screw and screw it. And let me just put these stickers back where they are. I may need to reapply a sticker or something afterwards, but not right now. Okay. Yeah, that looks fine now. Let's see if our mouse is going to work. Let me. Yeah. I'm turning the screen on. And plugging it in. Alright, recognize it. So, okay. I can click and drag with no problems whatsoever. So I'm calling this a success. Yeah, I'm lightly pressing it without using so much pressure like I used to, and it does not release it until I hear this clicking noise. Yeah, alright now. Now let me show you the second button is working either. I'm just typing random things to Google, and if I press this button it goes backwards, and if I press the one I replaced, this button, it goes forward. And both of the buttons are working now. So yeah, alright.